how to block pop-up ads on Google Chrome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely block pop-ups within the Google Chrome browser on any device. So this works on Chromebooks, Windows PCs or laptops, and even Macs. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So there's two different ways to do this. First, we can block pop-up ads for specific websites, or we can turn off and block pop-up ads for all websites that we visit in Google Chrome. So to do it for a specific website, navigate to the site, then go up to the top and next to the address bar, select the little icon right here. From there, select Site Settings. This will open up the settings for Google Chrome. And all we need to do under permissions right here is find pop-ups and redirects, and then just select that and make sure that block is selected. So if I select block, then pop-ups will no longer be allowed from that website in Google Chrome. After you've done that, you can just close the settings and you have now blocked pop-ups from that site. Now, if you want to block pop-ups overall within Google Chrome from every website you visit, to do that, go up to the top right of Google Chrome, select the three dots, then go down and select Settings. Now, once you get into the settings, go over to the left menu here and select Privacy and Security. And then all we need to do is go down and select Site Settings. From there, just scroll down and you'll see pop-ups and redirects. Under Content, select Pop-up and Redirects. And we just want to make the default behavior don't allow sites to send pop-ups or redirects. Below, you'll be able to see which sites are currently specifically not allowed and if there's any sites that are currently allowed to send pop-ups within the Google Chrome browser. So if you see anything in here and you want to remove it, select the three dots to the right of that and then just select Remove, or you can select Blocked. So I'm just going to select Remove, and then that site will no longer be able to send me pop-ups on Google Chrome. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.